scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Inflation can be tricky, but we will master cost-push dynamics right now. Let's break down this macroeconomics question to find the correct answer fast. First, we must define cost-push inflation, which happens when the total supply of goods drops. This usually occurs because the costs of production for firms across the entire economy suddenly rise. Next, look at the options provided to see which one matches our definition. Option D specifically mentions that resource costs increase, which perfectly describes the initial trigger for this supply-side inflation. Finally, higher input prices shift the aggregate supply curve left. This confirms option D is the only logically sound choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush, watch signs, trust the info, and check your steps.